I'm going to build the pivot table. So I go to insert and then I will build the pivot table from data model. And what I want to build is I want to build a budget versus actual calculation. So what I go to the date table and then I select the month name in rows. Okay. Now what I do, I go to the sales plan. So where is our sales plan? So we have sales plan here. So now here I drag this amount column. Okay, so now let me change this to a sum. Okay, so here is the problem, right? So why actually it is only showing count, it is not sum. So when I try to calculate it to sum is not available. Sum is not available when that particular amount column is not a number column. So we should go back and check. So where do we go back? We go back to the Power Query, right? So I click on the queries and connections, and then I open the sales plan. So I hope you understood the problem. The problem is that I'm not able to calculate the sum on the sales budget column, and I need to check what is the issue there. So here I'm going to do what I'm going to do. I open the sales budget. So sales plan. Okay, now if you look at here, look at this. What is the data type here? ABC, right? ABC means what? It is text. So can I do the calculation on text? Can I do a sum of text? It is not possible, right? So what should I do? I should change this to amount. So I will select the whole amount here. So these are some of the problems that you will come across as you start building your reports, and then you need to understand where to go and check. So if any source data related issues like a data type and any other source data related issues, always open the Power Query and fix things.